Welcome to ACSI Europe's e-learning program. I am Paul Madsen, a developer for the courses and instructor, as well as an educational consultant here at ACSI Europe in Budapest, Hungary. This is a brief introduction to our system, the types of courses that are available, and how to navigate the Moodle platform. So as you see here on your screen, access to ACSIEurope.org is the first step that gives you access to our page. Under the training menu, you can see our online courses are available here with a brief description of the types of courses we offer: education courses, Bible courses, and the Christian Philosophy of Education course. Particular information is available about each course in these links, and the enrollment in the program is done using an online form. This is a fairly simple, straightforward form. We need your first name, last name, email address, the dates that you are interested in taking the course, and we also provide which certain courses under each date. Once you have registered for the course, you need to come back to the training menu. We will always send out information about a week previous to when the course begins, and then you need to access the Moodle platform. Under the training menu, click Moodle platform, and this takes you to a separate website where the course will be presented. This is also available. The menu can be accessed using several different languages, but we will stay with English for now. You need to use the login link in the top right corner. Log in, and then I will use a test user access. This is, your username is usually the first part of your email address, okay? So if this was the email address, I would not include the @ symbol and the domain name. This needs to be left off of the username. Then the password is the one that has been sent to you. Once that is entered, you can log in. Notice that there's also a link if you have forgotten your username or password. You can access this page, put in your username, or use the email address that you registered for the course with, and it will send you an email to get access if you have forgotten your password. So let's use this again. And we will log in as a test user. This gives me access to two courses right now. One is the Mission of the Christian School, here called School Mission. The other is Philosophy of Christian Education. Let's enter School Mission, the Mission of the Christian School. This is an ongoing course currently, and provides access to 4 weeks, but only 3 are available currently in this setting. We have the course syllabus is always available in the general opening section of the course. A news forum discussion, usually a general questions or personal introduction forum, is also available here. And then week 1 actually begins the course content. Here we have a discussion, a video, which is a course introduction video from me, and then we have a reading. This is in a PDF format that gives the foundational instruction information from one of our course references. You can always return to the week or to the course here using the links at the top of the page. If I go back to week 1, I will see a link to a pre-test, and then we are currently in week 2 of the course, which has very similar activities. Let me open one of these discussions here, and you see that there has been no discussion topics yet in this forum. So as a participant in the course, I'm responsible to add a new topic, then provide a subject. I could use discussion for week 2, and then provide the discussion here. After reading carefully through the directions, I see that I need to provide definitions that identify a biblical, I need to provide a discussion topic and include 4 definitions of education, and then answer this question: which of these definitions identify a biblical perspective on teaching? So after I've carefully read the discussions, I can include my information. I believe that. This could also be done in a separate Word document and then pasted into the message. This saves you the trouble of trying to think about your message in the course content, and you can save your material outside the course. Also, it's possible to add a file. If you've done this in a Word file, you can simply upload the document into this as an attachment and then post to the forum to save your post. After you have added a post to the course, you will need to go back and look at other people's posts. For example, here is a previous post, and then I can reply to his post using this link and comment on what he has written with questions about his content, or comments about what I like or agree with, or are new ideas for me. This commenting and discussion becomes very important in the course, because we are learning to read what other people have to say about the topic, analyze that, think about that, and then respond to that, so that we are learning together. This is a very important aspect of the online learning environment. So this gives you a general perspective on what is available here. Notice also that I have access to the list of participants in the course. I can see who else is in the course, where they currently live, and how long ago they have accessed the course. The grades are also available here. If I click grades, I can see what I have completed, what my grades are. The grading is not as important as the engagement in the course. Be sure that you have participated in all the activities, read the material, and discussed that material with the course participants in the discussion. There's one other aspect here that needs to be mentioned. If you go to the top right corner, you see a link to profile. And in the profile, I have an opportunity to edit my profile and also upload a picture. This gives people a little bit more information about who you are, why you might be interested in the course. So if I click Edit Profile here, I can edit my first name, my surname, my email address. I can limit who has access to my email. I can select my current country, time zone. I can write a brief description. About me. I can say whatever would be important for this course environment, where I'm currently working, what my school context is, why I'm interested in this particular course, and then I could also upload a picture. So if I find a file, picture, then I can simply drag that into this area, which uploads the picture to the course. I can use a picture description. I can add some other information about me, Skype, MSN, other information which people might have access to if I want them to have access to it, and then update the profile. So this saves my profile. Unfortunately, my picture is upside down. I'll have to fix that later. But this is also useful to give people a little bit better idea who you are, where you are currently serving, and your interests in the course. So once I've completed my work for the day, I can come back here and simply log out. So we hope you enjoy our online course environment. Please let me know if you have any questions, or your course instructor. They should have sent you some contact information. And we pray that this will be a blessing to you as you grow and learn more about Christian education with ACSI Europe. And this happens through the interaction of the course, reading, watching, writing, and interacting with the other course participants. Okay, goodbye.